How to add an impact effect in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So you must follow some steps for that, and the steps are as. So to add an impact effect in the Adobe Premiere Pro, follow these steps. The very first step is to prepare your clip. Import the video clip you want to apply the impact effect and drag it to the timeline. The second is to create the impact. Add cuts, identify the moment of impact in your clip. When a punch lands or something hits the ground, make a cut right before and right after the impact so you can isolate that section for the effect. The third is to add a zoom in the effect. Scale up and select the cut section on the timeline. Go to the effect option. After going to the effect control option panel and under the motion section, click on the scale slightly to create a zoom in effect. Now keyframe animation, and you can animate the zoom original scale before the impact. Also add shake to enhance the impact. Apply the transform effect. For that, you should go on the effect option. After going on the effect option, go on the video effect option, distort it and transform. Now go to the keyframe position and turn off. Now after doing the steps, you need to go on the add flash or brightness effect option. For that, apply the brightness and contrast. Go to the color selection, brightness and contrast, and drag it onto this cut section option. Now increase the brightness according to your choice. Now shortly after that, add a sound effect as well. Import and impact the sound. Sound is the key to selling the impact. Find a suitable impact sound effect like thud, crash, explosion, or anything else. Now you can simply sync with your video. After syncing with your video, by ensuring the sound effect and everything perfectly, review and adjust. Review all your videos and adjust whatever you want to. Now render and export. Only when you are satisfied you can render the sequence for the smooth playback and then export your final video. By combining these all techniques, I guarantee that you can create a dramatic impact effect and enhance the visual intensity of your scene. So follow the steps for that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.